8 layers of quilting cotton with no problem whatsoever. So guys, I got this little sewing machine in the mail. This company contacted me asking me if I would do a video for them testing this sewing machine, and I said, okay, why not? Let's give it a try. This is a completely honest review. I'm sharing my experience using this machine, and I want to share it with you. It will be a great machine for any beginner. If you have a niece, a nephew, a daughter that wants to learn how to sew, and they're a little kid, and you don't want to spend like hundreds of dollars on a machine that you don't know if they're ever going to use or not, this will definitely give them that beginner taste of sewing, and they will determine, oh yes, I really like this, I can make some things with this, and then eventually upgrade to a bigger sewing machine with computer stitching and all of that. But this one is absolutely great. This little machine is so great. I was very surprised when I started stitching, because it sounds like a nice sewing machine. So what came in the box? The sewing machine has the user manual instructions, which it's pretty neat. It's pretty, it has a lot of pictures and a lot of information there on how to thread the machine, accessories, how to set it up, etc. Okay, how to do the buttonholes, all of that. So it comes with a user manual. It came with an accessory box, which is kind of like a extension of the sewing machine, gives you a little more room. And it has here a ruler that you can probably barely see it, but it has a ruler in centimeters and in inches. It has the presser foot, the electricity connector. And in this little packet here, it comes with bobbins. It comes with needles, sewing needles for your machine, threader, a buttonhole presser foot to install a buttonhole, to stitch the buttonhole. It came with this in there already stitched, and it also has this little kit here, pretty neat, with more needles, different threads, more bobbins, scissors, measuring tape, little tools, for sewing. Kind of like your basics. Okay, so that's pretty neat. Here you have your straight stitching, and then it has some zigzag, different types of zigzags. And then it has some kind of like design stitching, but also with the zigzag. So, and it will change depending on where the needle is positioned. So the A, B, and C will tell you if you have your needle in the center is A, if you move it B, and if you move it further is C. Here you have your stitch length, A, B, and C, and this is the reverse stitching, which is super important. You need to have that. This is a completely manual sewing machine, so there's no computer to this. That means that if you do the buttonhole, you have to follow the steps here and move the needle and the stitching to that specific position as you stitch your buttonhole. There's a dial up here that you can move, and it has numbers 1 through 12, and these numbers correspond to the numbers here on the side. And based on how you move this dial, your needle will also change positions. Okay, so for example, if I'm moving it, you see how the needle moves? As I move it, the needle is moving positions. Something else, the machine comes already threaded, so that helps, but there are instructions on how to thread the machine, and it is pretty basic. It's the exact same way that you will thread any other machine. You start here on the top, go down the side, get your thread here on this eye, and back on your needle. So that is same as any other sewing machine. You control the tension of your needle here. So when you're stitching, if you notice your tension is off, this is where you control it. Now, one thing I really like is that you can see the bobbin. So it's a top-loaded bobbin, which makes it so much easier. And so when you're sewing, if you're running low on thread, you know, and it's just easy to see. And as you can see, you can just insert it really easily, just like that. The presser foot that comes with the machine is your standard presser foot that you can do straight stitching and zigzag, and it's the snap-on presser foot. So that means that here on the lever you can just release the presser foot. Let me move this up. Okay, so you remove the presser foot like that, and then if you want to install your presser foot again, all you do is snap it on right there as well. And like I said, it comes with the buttonhole presser foot. Take that little piece of fabric that came with the sewing machine, and I'm just going to stitch. Let's do the straight stitching. You know, let's do the regular. So let me move it to the 1. Okay, and 1A should be this. But instead of pressing my presser foot here that I have on the side, I'm going to press this little button, and you'll see. It starts stitching on its own, but it has to be turned on under these 2 lines. So you have the regular on, you have it like this, that if you turn it on this way, it will do it as well. But if you have it on the center, it will not do it. Okay, so you have to use the presser foot. So, but if you don't want to use the presser foot, all you have to do is press it to the right or to the left, and it will do it for you. So I thought that was pretty cool. This is a very small sewing machine, very basic. You can tell that this is not a toy sewing machine, so don't get it confused. Just because it's small and it's so basic, it is not a toy sewing machine. This machine has a nice little motor on the inside. I can already tell because of the way it sounds when it's stitching. Here I have a little piece of quilting cotton, and I'm going to fold it into 4s. So I have 2 layers here as I fold, and 2 more layers. And the reason why I'm doing this is because when you're making anything, quilting or a little bag, a little pouch, or a little dress, whatever it is that you're making, you will have several layers. Okay, it's stitching perfectly with the 4 layers. So here's 1A, 1B, and 1C. Very, very tight. Let me fold this one more time. So now I have 8 layers. Let's see. 8 layers, and I'm going to do 8, and I'm going to do B. A more closer zigzag stitching. Wow. This is going through 8 layers of quilting cotton with no problem whatsoever. 8 layers of quilting cotton with no problem whatsoever. So yeah, you will definitely be able to make zipper pouches, quilts, little dresses and hair accessories, whatever, with this little machine. You definitely will be able to, because these are 8 layers of fabric, and it has no problem whatsoever. It's not giving me a hard time at all. See? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So you'll have to play with it to know like the stitch length, the millimeters, etc. But this, like, the tension is great on the back. Definitely, it is worth the money. So you can get yours down. The link in the description is for you. I do get an affiliate commission, but that doesn't increase your pricing. But I just wanted to try this and show it to you, and it is definitely worth it. So go check it out. Ciao.